Right, so right now we're going to see some other functions that we can also perform using Excel. If you see on my column headers, that's for row 1. I can clearly see what's in A1 that is stated name. I can clearly see what's here that is stated employee, but I can't see what's here unless I click on the department, unless I check the formula bar here. I can see salary, I can see date of history hire unless I can't see date of hire unless I check the formula bar there. Same for the one after that, which is performance rating. Now I can see location and gender. So a very quick way to see all our column headers is by either clicking on it, that's column A, or clicking on everything, Control A, and then going Alt HOI. So Alt HOI expanded the column such that everything fits into each rows and each column, and then I can see all of them at a glance. So that's one way to go about it as HOI. So we have this, you can see everything clearly now: name, employee ID, department, salary, date of hire, performance rating, location, gender. So that's it for now. It's been an amazing one.